How to use AT&T Secure Family feature. To use the AT&T's Secure Family feature, first of all, you must subscribe to the service via the My AT&T application or the App Store. First things first, install the companion application on your child's device, and then make sure to subscribe to the service. First things first, launch your device's App Store or Play Store. Once you open it, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on the search button, then download the AT&T Secure Family application. Now once you find it, go ahead and download it. However, this feature is not yet available within my region, but once you download the application, you have to launch it and then pair the parent and child device from the Add a Child section. Once you launch the application, now you simply have to enter the child's phone number. App will generate a unique pairing code, and once you type this code, use the companion application on the child's device and then follow the prompts on the child's device to install the Secure Family Companion profile. This prevents your child from bypassing the filters or deleting the application without your permission. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.